How you doing, guys? This is Doug from Carson. Today I'm here to talk to you about the TV-15 and the TV-36 TriView magnifier. Now what's great about these is you get 3 different magnifications in a small, compact magnifier that can fit right in your pocket. So instead of carrying around 3 different handheld magnifiers, you now have the ability to have a 3 power, a 5.5 power, and an 8.5 power, or a 5 power, a 10 power, and a 15 power magnifier all in one. When using the TriView, it's important to make sure that you're looking through the correct side. To do that, just make sure the Carson logo printed on the handle is facing upward. When using the first lens on the TV-36, you can get away with using the magnifier at about an arm's length. But in general, with both models, the optics function much better when your eye is nice and close to the lens. When using both models, increasing power is as easy as adding another lens. This chart displays the magnification results of each TriView model. Most people confuse the idea that the most powerful magnifier is the best tool for the job, but a lot of the time this is not the case. The more powerful the lens, the closer you'll get to the object, but just keep in mind that your field of view will not be as wide as one with a lower powered lens. Another cool thing about the TriView is you have the ability to fold these lenses inside the handle, which also serves as a protective case. Keeps the lenses from getting scratched or getting any dust on them as well. You can get a sharp focus on any flat surface, or bring your eyes closer to the lens and inspect details on any small object. The TriView is great for reading small text on electronics and even collectibles. Now, like I said before, this definitely beats carrying around 3 different handheld magnifiers when you can have 3 different magnifications in one small portable magnifier. This comes in 2 different models, the TV-15 and the TV-36, so be sure to check out both. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.